How to import audio files into AudioDirector. First of all, open AudioDirector on your computer and open the project where you want to import your audio files. Alternatively, you can click on Edit Clips from the app launcher to launch the default project. Next, delete the audio track if there is one already imported by default. If not, click on the File menu and select the Import option. From here, you can choose either media files or media folder depending on your preference. Choose the option you prefer and this will open the File Explorer window where you can browse your computer for the audio files you want to add. Once you locate your audio files, select them and click Open. The files will be imported into your project and will appear in the media library or directly on the timeline depending on your project settings. You can also import audio files by simply dragging and dropping them from your computer directly into the AudioDirector timeline or media library. This method is quick and convenient, especially when working with multiple files at once. Likewise, you can click on the Import Media option in the top left represented by the folder icon with the down arrow beside SFX. After importing, you can start editing, mixing, restoring or enhancing your audio using all the professional tools AudioDirector offers. Make sure to arrange your audio tracks properly on the timeline for smoother editing. Now you know how to import audio files into AudioDirector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.